I beg your pardon. Let me first go across to Senior Advocate Ujjwal Nigam, who knows the law better than anyone else when it comes to such cases. Mr. Nigam, you have very many times seen how Pakistan comes and lies at such times. You know better than anyone how to counter them. And Mr. Nigam, today as they're saying this, it's very clear they're only trying to come under pressure of the World Court. But India is also going to say Jadhav has not been represented by an Indian, and we also want the right to cross-examine those people who arrested him and also who extracted a confession out of him.
Indeed, it's a great victory for India because the kangaroo court has awarded the death penalty to Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav without due process of law. And in fact, Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav was not allowed to represent his case. He was not provided a proper attorney, and therefore India has approached to the ICJ. And because of the ICJ's order, the Pakistan had no other option, but which Pakistan was initially in a denial mode, saying that our law doesn't provide such provision. But now the Pakistan Parliament has passed a resolution. That is what I learned. And in fact, it is because now Pakistan is trying to show that they are complying the order of ICJ. But here the question won't be remained. The whole question remains that Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav should be allowed to be represented by an Indian lawyer. In fact, the Pakistan Parliament should also pass a resolution because we have no faith in Pakistan lawyer, because Bar Council of Islamabad as well as the Lahore has passed a resolution that no lawyer of Pakistan will represent Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav. Therefore, I personally apprehend that even if Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav has been given right to prefer an appeal against the order of the death penalty, who is going to represent Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav in the Pakistan High Court? That is number one. Number two, Mr. Indian lawyer must be allowed to represent Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav. Number three, that the order of the death penalty must be stayed till that time. Number four, and the parliament, the Pakistan Parliament also should consider that the request of India for providing a lawyer of Indian citizen, Indian lawyer, it must be complied with.
Case also want to say, what have they done? They have taken out an ordinance in 2020. This is what Pakistan does, and they give a right to appeal, like you rightly said, against the kangaroo courts, the military courts. The people in these military courts, Mr. Nigam, as you and I are very aware, are not judges. They are military personnel who are made to sit there. There is no appeal. So today all they've done is they've given the right to appeal to Kulbhushan Sudhir Jadhav, who's an Indian citizen. India has said this at the World Court. Do you very likely think, with no Indian lawyer representing him, and like you rightly said, no Pakistani lawyer is ready to represent him, what is the scenario that is possibly something we can look at in the near future for Kulbhushan Sudhir Jadhav?
See, perhaps we'll require to approach ICJ again if at all the Pakistan government won't refuse the prayer of an Indian government that Indian lawyers should be allowed to represent Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav. Then perhaps ICJ will require to intervene again in the matter. But one thing is good, that at least Mr. Jadhav will have a right to prefer an appeal. But consular access is again a very important thing, because they have not given the consular access to Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav as ordered by ICJ. Now, what they had played a mischief, that they allowed to meet Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav only in a very, very secluded place and in the presence of the Pakistan officials. Because the whole case of Pakistan government against Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav is so-called the confession statement extracted by force. And therefore, Pakistan Evidence Act also says that if confession is extracted by force, then such confession should be kept out of consideration. And therefore, Pakistani authorities are apprehending that if confession goes away, then there is no evidence against Mr. Kulbhushan Jadhav. And therefore, that is the whole thing that again we will require to agitate.
Yes, absolutely. Mr. Nikam, I thank you for that, because we're getting a close perspective about how the sham military proceedings in Pakistan worked and how Pakistan tried to take Kulbhushan Sudhir Jadhav, an Indian national, with them, as India continues to pray and support the rights of Kulbhushan Sudhir Jadhav. It is now Team India that is going to, in the legal courts, possibly try and see whether we move the ICJ. We're also going to try and see how we can get cross-examination of those military officers of Pakistan. Thank you, Mr. Nikam, for that perspective.